In this video, we're going to be talking about how to disable AI search suggestions on your Firefox application. So let's just get straight into the video. All you need to do is simply go ahead and enable the AI kill switch by going to settings and AI control. So simply go ahead and open your Firefox, click on settings and look for AI control. And when you go ahead and find it, simply go ahead and turn it off. It is as simple as that. There's also another thing you can go ahead and do, and that is going to be by simply going to google.com/preferences and then unchecking a setting. So google.com/preferences. And once you log in, at the moment, as you can see, okay, it might be a URL problem. So simply go ahead and head to google.com/preferences, just like that. And as you can see, it's going to search up this right over here. And now simply turn off search customization right over here. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further